hair done, earrings in, a little festive for the holiday shopping. I went over my blush with the It Cosmetics Ombre blush, and Naturally Pretty, because it's got some radiance to it. So I not only used the two blushes, but then I kind of did this powder, radiant powder. Oh, left my closet open. Ugh. It's because I threw everything around in there because I couldn't find my shoes. But this, can you see? Of course not. Well, it's got a reflection to it, but it's the Ombre Radiance Naturally Pretty It Cosmetics. So it has some radiance to it. It's really pretty. It's really something I would wear during the summer, but I don't know, just thought I needed a little bit. So now I'm going to go in with the NYX lip liner in Mahogany. I really like this color. I put it on lightly. It's because it's fairly dark. And I really just concentrate in the middle. Because you just want to bring out a pout. And you can literally make your lips look bigger by just concentrating on the middle. And then I saw a girl wearing this who worked at Ulta. It's Buxom. My color. Royal. Gosh darn it. On her, it looked like a full-on red, but on me, it looks like a full-on berry. It's a very pigmented, royal, Buxom Royal. Buxom Royal. It is pigmented, but glossy and festive. Uh-oh. I know, I'm running late. Did he cuss? Just a little bit. Have to cover that bruise up, but yes, this color it's really pretty, you guys. If you have like medium skin, honestly, if you have any skin color, the girl that was wearing this, she was African American, and it looked so beautiful. When I got to the counter, I was like, what are you wearing? She says, oh, it's Buxom. She went and looked for the color, and she said Royal, and I'm like, where is it? I ran there, and I'm like, hoping that it would look good on me too, because she looked fabulously beautiful. But yeah, I was happy with it. It's a pop of color. So guys, thanks for watching. Sorry that I took so long. I did do my hair, needs to be brushed. You know what? Yeah, my hair is long. And I do have red in it. I used to have blue in it. I took that out. But yeah, I have long hair. And I'm 56 years old. I know a lot of people don't agree with that, but you know what? I don't care. I love my hair. And I don't know. I've been watching The Housewives. And that girl, Kelly, it seems like the Orange County girls are making fun of older women. Calling the three amigos or whatever geriatrics, or I mean, are you kidding me? So Annie Cohen's gonna have to get a hold of that, because we're your audience, okay? And honey, I don't think I look geriatric, all right? But she was making fun of one of the girls because she had hair extensions in that were long, and she looked really good. She's telling her she shouldn't have long hair. Gosh, I hate people like that. I really do. I despise that. I despise it when one woman tells another woman what she should wear. I was at the hair salon about 2 months ago, and there was a lady in her 80s, and she noticed the colors in I'll get a color in my hair. I like it. And she was noticing that. She says, I really like that. And so her hairdresser walked over with some extensions or some colors, and there was pink. And I said, oh my gosh, that pink would look fabulous on you. She goes, do you think? I said, yeah. You know, and you can start out subtle until you get used to it. Because I know, you know, when you're at an age, you want to, you want to be with the in crowd. Anyway, she put it on. It looked fabulous. I said, girl, keep it, please. I loved it. I believe in it. So, you know, I can't stand when other women try to tell, or women try to tell other women what's appropriate for them to wear. Get out of here. Okay, so I'm wearing, I can't do an outfit of the day because I don't, you know, my room's not really a mess, but I do have boxes all over the place. But I'm wearing the Barefoot Dreams shirt that has a tie at the bottom. And I'm telling you, you can sleep in this. It is so comfortable, yet stylish and beautiful. I have Apartment 9 jeans on from Kohl's. If you haven't tried Apartment 9 tummy control jeans from Kohl's, then you don't know what you're missing, because this thing, it holds you in comfortably, so comfortably. Yet these jeans are styling. They look good. Medium waist, high waist. They kind of appear low-waisted, and they come in straight straight legs, jeggings, and boot cut. The boot cut's not flare. It's that perfect boot cut that you can wear pumps with. And I just bought these pumps, you guys, and they're on sale at Macy's from Michael Kors. How fabulous are these? And girl, do they go with my shirt or what? Yeah, they're beautiful. They're brand new. I'm gonna be slipping all over the place if I don't take this off. But these look fabulous with the boot cut jeans. I'll be doing more outfit of the day for you guys soon enough. Just not there yet. But anyway, nice because it's a rubber bottom. But they're just I think a 3-inch heel. Very comfortable. So comfortable. Okay, because it's Michael Kors.